Earlier, we have worked with some XAML controls. Now let's take a look at very important thing, which is scroll view. Well, I have these label, entry and image controls. Now let's copy these controls and paste it 3 or 4 times. Okay, if we look at the mobile device, then we can't see all the controls. So here comes the scroll view. Well, scroll view is a layout that's capable of scrolling its content. And remember one thing, the scroll view can only have a single child. So if we'll put this stack layout, then it means our scroll view can only have a single child, which is this stack layout. And these other controls are not child of this scroll view. In fact, these controls are the children of this stack layout. Okay, now we can use the scroll view and see all the controls inside our mobile device. Alright, so we have covered the scroll view. Now I'll see you in the next lesson.